Hi, today we're going to work on a doodle mandala on a blue and green vignette background, rock painting ideas. Welcome to George on the Rocks, where stress release is one rock painting away. Measure out the painting surface of your stone, and then draw out your design. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up on my video, it'd be really great. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you. During the week, I came up with various ideas on how to approach the drawing and doodle for this particular stone. The various doodles that I did at work percolated in my subconscious, and this is what came out. Once you have your design on the piece of paper, I like to redraw the image using a General's pastel chalk pencil, but you can use anything that you've got. With the General's pencil, once your painting is done, you can always just use a little bit of water and get rid of the chalk. If you're liking this video, please subscribe for more rock painting ideas. And then hit the bell notification so you won't miss out. I upload videos on Thursdays and sometimes on a Monday. I would upload more, but I also have a full-time retail job. Once your design has been transferred to the stone using the General's pencil or whatever you want to use, I like to go over the image with a Posca pen. I'm using a fine point here, but you can use whatever you have. Whatever you do use, make sure it's water-based and not oil-based. That way, you won't run into any problems when you varnish your rock painting. As you can tell, I'm adjusting my design as I go along. I thought that the inner rings were a bit more confining than I wanted and a bit more busy. So I went ahead and I changed it on the fly. It's important to listen to your inner voice. It's telling you something for a reason. I added a few more leaves at the base of the stone, as well as a larger flower, rose to be exact, in the center, giving it more definition. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll include some color. The reason why I mention that now is to give you an idea of when you add detail, be mindful if you're going to be adding color later on. That way you're not drawing yourself into a corner. Add details and embellishments along the border of the stone. I like triangles and then triangles within the triangles. As with acrylics in general, the more detail you have, the better. On the other hand, you can minimize it all you want. It's all about what you want to do. There's no right or wrong way to do anything with rock painting. I also wanted to draw in some veins in the leaves, so I'm doing that now, to give the overall design a bit more dimension. For example, when I apply color to this, I'll have a gradient on the leaves that will hopefully make them pop even more. Sometimes with rock painting, it's a good idea to think 1 or 2 steps ahead. Or, if you want, just wing it. Whichever way is good for you and works best for you. And sometimes when I have ribbons around the stone, I like it to break it down even further. Celebrate each other, celebrate your creative inner voice, and paint along the way.